Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to remove duplicates from the dataset in Excel. So we have this serial dataset over here. As we can see that in this dataset we have similar rows and values, just like this row is exactly as same as this row with the same values of fat, protein, etc. Similarly, we have this row here that is repeating itself here again with the same values. Just like that, we have a lot of similar rows and values in our dataset which we do not need, as it will have impact on our insights later on. Therefore, if we are dealing with a huge amount of data, it is almost impossible for us to delete each one of them by ourselves. So I'm going to show you a very easy shortcut. All you have to do is click anywhere in your dataset, press Alt A and M all together, select all, click or press OK. So I had 17 duplicate values in my dataset which Excel had removed for me, and now only the unique values are left. Click OK. That's it, we are good to go. And if you have liked this video, click the like button. And if you want to learn more features of Excel, Word, Microsoft Power BI, you can subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.